Welcome back to another episode of Slide Customs. We're working on Project Nopar. We've got a mess behind us. We're going to try to clean up a workspace, get the intake manifold, take the heads off, maybe some accessory stuff, and we'll contemplate taking apart the heads.
Yeah.
That's kind of ambitious for us. That's like 3 things we're going to try to get done.
But the cool thing about it is this is like a way cooler engine to work on the heads of than the Forester.
It's true.
So, you know, it's a little bit exciting.
Hopefully it goes smoothly.
Yeah.
Regardless, stay tuned. Let's see if we can carve out a workspace back here. Okay, we've got a workspace, and it's fairly clean. So we're gonna start just pulling off accessory stuff, I guess. That's the plan, right? Accessories, then maybe exhaust manifold, and then up top.
I think that sounds good. Okay.
We gotta get the pause.
Alright, so we brought not enough stuff. So we'll have to knock this loose with a wrench.
We tried to think of everything before we came over. We brought quite a few tools. But we did not bring any standard 3/8 drive impact stuff.
Yeah.
Hopefully the bigger vroom vroom will do it. Oh, that's better. Oh. Oh yeah. That was a good squirt. Woo! Sweet, finally. Now we can finish popping that off of there. Water pump. Doop doop. It looks okay. Yeah, it doesn't look bad in there. Keep plugging along. Maybe we do this first. So this looks like just a mounting bracket. I'm just going to loosen it up, swing it over here so it's out of our way, and then just kind of tighten it back down because it'll come off with the intake manifold, it looks like. Usually a bit of a delicate dance with exhaust manifold studs and bolts or whatever. See how many we can get out clean. That is reassuring. Alright, what's next?
I think we're about to try and pull the intake manifold off.
Sweet.
And we're going to try and probably keep everything together, like not worry about pulling fuel rail and injectors and all that kind of stuff, because later on down the road we're thinking, you know, in the spirit of full-on Nopar, get the carb conversion kit and have that big old air cleaner hanging out up on top. So.
Yeah, muscle car stuff. Hopefully little hammer drill will do this, because we don't have the right size impact.
3, 2, 1. Hey!
Hey! Look at that beast. Now that is a truck intake manifold right there.
I'm gonna sit it down now.
Okay, so we've made yet another, after very little deliberation, we've made a big decision. we're blowing this thing apart. Top and bottom end, it's coming all the way apart. So I guess the next step is drain the oil, pop the valve covers, and start taking out the valve train.
Yep. Yep, yep.
Yep, yep. Alright, Dad, what's the next step?
Get ready to take the oil pan off.
To the heads.
Oh, I didn't know if it was ready.
Time to pull the heads off, so hopefully the head bolts aren't crazy. I don't know the torque spec, but we've got an impact with a non-impact socket, so wish us luck.
Oh yeah, we couldn't, yeah, but you know what I'm saying?
Right. Oh. That's driver's side.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Yeah, remember how heavy your Forester heads were?
Oh. That's gotta be like 60, 70 pounds. Right there's 150 pounds guaranteed.
Alright, so just a big reveal here. We can see bigger and see what size oil we have.
We get calipers. Yeah.
Pause.
So hopefully you guys can see. I don't know if there's enough light, but you kind of see like flat spots here that doesn't look like just normal casting marks. There should be casting numbers there, according to our Googling.
Yeah.
And it looks an awful lot like these have been ground off. So, with that being said, yeah, you can't see that in the camera. Yeah. So yeah, you can see like there would be casting numbers here, but they've just been ground off.
We don't know.
So, in order to try to verify, we're almost positive it's a Magnum, because it's EFI, and it's a Dodge truck engine.
V8.
Right, V8. But it could be a 318 as opposed to a 3, or a 5.2 as opposed to 5.9. And according to our Googling, we're pretty sure that the bore diameter should be 4 inches for a 360. So now we've got the heads off. Andrew grabbed a caliper and let's find out whether or not we got ripped off.
We'll get a rough measurement of what the bore diameter is.
Hopefully the little numbers on that screen say 4.
There it is. 4.03. Oh, that's with me holding it. So 4.029. Maybe. I mean, that's pretty rough. It has like carbon and whatnot in there, so.
Definitely not 3.9.
Yep, certainly not. Here we
Let me
go.
see it. Cool.
Time to continue the tear down. Alright, well, probably should have done this earlier, but let's see if we can get the harmonic balancer off. Woo! Atta girl! Alright. I had my doubts. I wasn't sure.
I'm glad you kept persevering.
Yeah. Atta baby. Alright. We sent Dad to the parts store to grab a pulley puller. So we're going to try to stay productive. See if we can flip this thing over and pull the oil pickup and maybe windage tray or whatever's underneath there.
We already dropped the pan off and it's just been draining.
Sure, we're still going to make a mess here. Hey, so far so good.
Keep going.
Yep. Do you need help? Oh yeah. We missed.
Perfect.
To be fair, we caught a lot of it.
We did. We caught a lot.
All right, time out so we can start, trying to damage control. Pause. All right, we got it. We cleaned up our mess, at least good enough to continue working.
Caleb cleaned up our mess, at least good enough to continue working.
That's true. I didn't need squat. Now we're gonna try to pop off the oil pickup, and then I guess we can start doing rod caps.
Come on, baby.
Woo! This is wonky.
Yeah, something's wrong with this one.
Just one more.
This piston rod.
Oh, that's nasty.
It was a struggle.
Nice.
We had to ramp the tool and we didn't film it because we're awesome and we're confused about how it works. But we got the harmonic balancer off.
You? Kind of out of order.
Yeah.
So this kind of stuff is new to us. Again, nothing is ever meant to be a tutorial. This is us trying to learn. It's a junkyard engine. The stakes are not very high. This might be a little out of order, but we're plugging along.
Yeah, we're getting it.
So next we're...
There's a car here.
Who put that there? So next, again, we're going to, a little out of order, we're going to pop the engine mount off. And these random brackets.
So here we go.
Yeah, and then after that, I guess main caps pull the crank out, and it's pretty well disassembled.
That'll be kind of exciting.
Rock and roll. Alright, so with the front cover off, we're ready to pull the cam sprocket. Is that what you would call that?
Yep.
So we're going to pop this bad boy off, get the timing stuff out of there, then we can pull main caps and get the crank out.
How this was just like this.
Hey, hey, hold on. Strike a pose.
One camshaft.
Nice job.
So, about to pull the crank. Get her done. You want me to grunt for you, or
I don't even know how to grab it.
looks good?
Ta-da! Well done, sir. Master of your own engine. Wow. What a great day. That was, we're loving this YouTube thing. It pushes us to do stuff we've never done.
I wouldn't have tried this.
We've never had an engine, like we said with the Forester, we never had an engine this far apart, a big engine.
Right.
Well, this thing is all the way apart. And we've never done that, especially not on a V8. So.
All the way down to the, what do you call it?
Bare block.
Bare block.
I mean, there are still some bearings in there, but
Yeah.
everything is apart.
And we learned from our mistakes on wrapping the Forester engine up. We did a little better job with this one.
Yeah, hopefully this one comes out a little prettier than the Forester. We're stoked. Awesome, awesome day. We'll show you a shot of that table, everything we took off. Actually, we'll do that right now.
Yeah, why don't we do that? Start over here with the pistons and rod and crank and everything stored all awesome.
So yeah, there are the pistons and front cover, the crankshaft, harmonic balancer, water pump, so on and so forth. Everything we took out.
All labeled and pretty and wrapped up.
We did our best. We don't know what we're doing, but we tried. Anyway. Oop. Gonna get this back up in there. So yeah. Thank you guys as always for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let us know what you like, what you don't like. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and YouTube. Check you next time. Wait.